Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the LED brightness control using potentiometer. Okay, this is the tutorial number 5 and 1 to 4 we already covered. Okay guys, now let's start. Okay, first let's consider about the components and circuit diagram. Okay, now you see this is the potentiometer. Okay, in the potentiometer have a 3 pins. Okay, one first this is one, and center is second, last one is third pin. Okay, and first pin you need to connect to the 5 volt, and this is 5 volt I already connected. Okay, and the center pin is signal pin, you need to connect to the A0 pin. You see I already connect to the A0. Okay, and the last one is ground pin. Okay, you need to connect to the ground, and I already connect to the here, this is the ground pin. Okay, the next one is the LED. Okay, LED brightness control. Okay, this LED have two terminal, positive and negative. Okay, positive terminal you need to connect to the pin number 11 of PWM. You see the sign of PWM, this one, this is the sign of PWM. Okay, help of this. Okay, and the ground pin you need to use a one resistor. Okay, one resistor connect to the pin number negative pin, and the second terminal you need to connect to the directly to your ground. You see this is the ground pin. Okay, these are the circuits and about the components. Okay, let's come on the programming part. Now open Arduino Uno. Okay, now first of all let's declare the pins. Int LED1, this is your variable. I'm storing the pin number 11. Okay, then int we need to declare potentiometer. I'm entering pot pin like this. Okay, equal to pin number A0. Yes, this one. Okay, now I'm create a one variable int pot data like this. Okay, now what you do, let's define the pins in the word setup. Enter pin mode. Okay, now I'm enter here LED1. LED1 is your LED is your input, that's sorry, output, that's why I'm enter output. Okay, pin mode, port pin. Okay, this is your port pin. Port pin is your input, that's why I'm enter input. Okay, now let's come on the void loop for continuity operation. Okay, and right now what we do, I'm using this variable port data. Okay, I'm say here port data. Okay, equal to analog read. Okay, now we need to enter this variable because A0 pin store data in port pin. Okay, that's why I'm use this one. Okay, now what we do, let's first I'm using here serial monitor. Okay, what you do, I'm declare the serial monitor. Serial dot begin. The baud rate is 9600 of your Arduino Uno. Okay, now what you do, I'm read first serial dot print ln. Okay, now I'm choose the port data because the potentiometer data store in this variable port data. Okay, that's why I'm choose this one. Okay, now we need to control the brightness also. That's why what you do, I'm enter here analog write like this. Okay, analog write, and you need to enter the pin number, that is LED1, because LED pin connect to the 11, that is stored in the LED1. That's why I'm choose this variable LED1 comma, and you need to enter this one port data. Okay, this is the variable, this is the potentiometer. The range is changed 0 to 1023. That's your LED brightness is controlled, help of this one. Okay, now what you do, let's first verify and save your project. Okay, now P is capital. Okay, like this. Now again verify. Yes, now click to upload. Okay, now you see uploaded done. Okay, Now what you do, let's change the potentiometer range. Okay, first what you do, go to tools and choose serial plotter. Okay, this is your plotter. Okay, now what we do, let's change this one. Okay, and you see the brightness is controlled. See, you see. Okay, like this, like you see. Okay guys, you can easy to control the brightness of your LED. Okay. Okay guys, and okay guys, thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.